How can you top up? So first of all, go to your account, go to your profile, fine. Then you have the billing section. Here, as you can see, you have the billing section. Just click on the billing section. And now you have the payment methods. When you click on the payment methods, you can add the payment method here by clicking the add new card. Fine. Or you can just top up. Just add the amount in your account. So as you can see, this is the default balance equals to $0. So if you click on the top up, the options you have, you can work with the credit card. Just click on the PayPal and also click on the next button. I'm going to pay with the PayPal. So my domain is $0.95. So that's why I need only uh $10. So $10. Just click on the checkout. It will redirect you from the Namecheap website to the PayPal official link. I'm going to log in with my credentials. So wait for a few seconds. Now the $10 you are going to pay from your card. Just click on the continue button. Okay, so now as you can see, your balance is how can you purchase this? So now go to the view card, apply the coupon if you have. So as you can see, $0.5 saved. Okay, now 0 point, sorry, $9.95. Just click on the confirm order, add the address, continue. So now you have to select the register content, administrator, billing content, technical, and also save the configurations above for the default checkout page. Click on the continue button. So now here where you want to pay, as you can see, we have the card detail here. You can also pay from the account fund. Click on the account fund. As you can see, you have the $10 and the amount is $9.95. Save the configurations and click on the continue button. Click on the pay now button. And thank you for the order.